Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Minecraft on PC and laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the official Minecraft website. At the top, select Account and click Sign In. Use the Sign In with Microsoft button if you already have an account, or select Sign Up to create a new one. Next, go to Games and click Go to Downloads. Choose Download for Windows or scroll to other versions to select the version for your operating system. Open the download location and double-click the Minecraft installer file to begin installation. Click here to log into the Microsoft Store and sign in if prompted. Agree to the Microsoft software license terms and click Install. Once installation finishes, click Let's Go. Minecraft may update automatically. Sign in with your Microsoft account, select Minecraft Java Edition, then choose Buy Now if you haven't purchased it yet. Add a payment method and complete the purchase. Click Play or Install, wait for it to finish. From there, you can launch Minecraft Java Edition anytime. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft on PC and laptop. That's it for this video. Thanks.